Good students, today we will study about echo of sound in serial number 4. Okay student, here we know that what is echo. Echo means when the sound reflected from any obstacles or hills, that reflection of sound is known as echo of sound. Okay? Here, let's suppose that this is the sound source and this is the obstacles or hills. Here sound goes from sound source and strike with obstacles, After striking obstacles, sound reflected and go back at the sound source. During this same distance cover, before strike distance AO and after striking or reflected time distance OA. Thus the distance OA and AO and OA is equal to same to each other. Okay students? Here in this case obstacles should be always greater than sound source. If sound source is greater than obstacles, then echo is not, then echo does not produce. Therefore, obstacles should be always greater than sound source. Okay students? On this cases the echo produce. After this, here when sound goes from sound source from sound source and strike sound source and strike with obstacles. Okay students? And strike with obstacles. Here then after striking sound reflected and come back at after striking sound reflected and come back at sound source, back at sound source. Thus the reflection of sound is called echo of sound. Okay, student, this concept is very important in the case of echo. After this, we study in this case in how time echo produced and how we know the distance between sound source and obstacles. In this case, we study it in different conditions. We determine the distance between sound source and obstacles or any hills. Thus, this is the very important portion. Echo is found in air after when the difference between sound reflected or the difference between sound and reflected sounds with difference, when the difference is found 0.1 second, then we hear the echo. Minimum times 0.1 second we hear the echo, and 0.1 second how many distance is found between sound source and obstacles. We determine it by a formula in different cases. Here condition 2, case first. Case first, condition 2, hear echo. Condition 2, hear echo in air. Echo in air. Here sound source, here sound source, and this is the obstacle. In this case, in air, the echo minimum time is equal to 0.1 second, and the speed of sound in air, the speed of sound in air is equal to is 340 meter per second practically. By practically, the value of the speed of sound in air is found 340 meter per second and 330 meter per second or 340 meter per second, near about. On this basis, we can determine the distance between obstacles and sound source. By this rule, here minimum time is 0.1 second and the distance of sound in air is 340 meter per second. Then we can determine the distance between obstacle and sound source. Here speed of sound is equal to total distance going and coming by sound divided by time. Thus here V is equal to total distance, same distance OA is equal to the distance OA is equal to OD. Right here AO, the distance is let D, and this is also D. AO plus OA by time. Here OA, velocity of sound in air 340 meter per second, and OA D plus D by 0.1 second. Okay student, 0.1 second. Thus we determine thus 340 meter per second is equal to 2d by 0.1 second meter per second. Therefore, we can write 2d is equal to 340 into 0.1 meter. The distance, the unit of distance will be meter. Here 2d is equal to 340 multiply in 0.1, we get 34 meter. Thus 2 divide of 34 one time, 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14. Thus d is equal to 17 meter. Okay student, this is answer. Then the distance between sound source and obstacles is d. Thus the distance is going and same distance of coming. Thus we determine the obstacles between sound source and obstacles. Okay students? Similarly, we in condition second, condition case second, condition Farico, condition Farico to here echo in water. Here this is water and this is obstacles. Source, sound source. Sound source, in this case sound goes and strike here and thus during coming sound or reflected sound, sound goes, strike, in this case we determine the distance between sound source and obstacle in water. In this case, in water, for echoing time is minimum time is 0.1 second and velocity of sound in water, velocity of sound in water is equal to near about 440 meter per second practically, and this time is also practically. Minimum point for echoing, minimum point is 0.1 second. In this case, how many velocity is found in air or water as system? In this case, we determine the distance between sound source and strike. Sound velocity in water is equal to total distance, here O, here A and O. Thus, this total distance going and coming, total distance are same. Same distance going is equal to coming distance. AO plus OA by time. Okay, student. Here the velocity of sound in water is equal to 440 meter per second, and total distance D plus D by time 0.1 second. Okay, student. Here 2D, D plus D, 2D is equal to 440 into 0.1. The unit of distance is equal to meter. We multiply this, we get 144 meters. Then we calculate this, the value of, we get the value of D is equal to 72 meter. Answer. The minimum distance for echo is found 72 meter distance for echo in 0.1 second. Minimum distance is found for echo in water, but in air we determine the value of 17 meter minimum distance for echo in air. Thus we determine the value determine the distance between sound source and obstacles by this method. Thus many instruments act on this basis, as ultraviolet rays, sonar. Sonar is also a device by which we calculate the determine, we can know the depth of the sea by the sonar. And ultrasound wave also send, and we calculate the distance between the sound source and the distance between any obstacles. Okay, students. After this, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, students. Thank all of you.